Hi everybody, check this out. It's a new front spoiler for my Typhon with working front lights that can be controlled from the remote control with the channel button. You see the rear lights module also under the wing. Here is it without the body mounted. The wires come out here, go this way, into the receiver, and under everything to the back into the lights. An Arduino Pro Mini, and the most of the wires are hidden in the nose part of the wing. The wires are routed under this tape inside the slot, so they are not visible. This is the connection scheme. You will need an Arduino Pro Mini, the 3.3 volt version, an FTDI uploader module like this on the picture here, 3mm LEDs, 14 pieces at the front and 6 at the rear. You will also need 20 pieces of 330 ohm resistors, a 3-pin connector that goes into the receiver and the wires. I would recommend very thin wires because it will not be easy to hide them. Optionally, you can use some tiny connectors if you plan to unmount the lights in the future. Now to the Arduino code. I am not an expert in coding, which will possibly be visible for some of you. At the beginning, I start with naming our channel, LED pin numbers and delay times. In the setup, we define pin 5 as input, the LED pins to be outputs, and begin serial. In the loop, we start listening the signal at pin 5 on the white wire that comes from the receiver. Next, we print the value to the serial monitor. These values are pulse lengths in microseconds. The values may be different in your specific transmitter-receiver setup, so you should check this when you have connected everything and you have programmed the Arduino. Check what value you see in the serial monitor when the channel is off and what value it shows when the channel is on. Then adjust the number in the if command line. For my setup, 1200 microseconds was the correct value. So you can see if on the channel it reads a pulse length longer than 1200 microseconds, then it turns on the LED pairs one after each other with 150 millisecond delays. In the next if the pulse length is shorter than 1200 microseconds, it turns off the LED pairs in the following order. Thanks for watching.